everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and quick and easy delicious chicken curry recipe, and I'm going to make chicken in pressure cooker. I have a 3-pound boneless, skinless chicken breast, 2 red onion, 1 tablespoon ginger, garlic, green chili paste. I have a video posted how to make this paste at home. Tomato sauce, half cup, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, spices from masala dabba. And let's start making our delicious chicken curry. Get a pressure cooker, start gas, add 1/4 cup vegetable oil. As oil start to heat up, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds, add onion, mix it well. Cook onion until they are nicely brown. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onion is nicely brown. Add ginger, garlic, green chili paste and mix it well. And cook ginger, garlic, green chili paste along with tadka for 2 minutes. Onion, ginger, garlic, green chili is nicely cooked with tadka. Add tomato sauce. Mix it well. Cook tomato sauce along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking for 1 minute. Now I'll add spices. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri mirch. Mix it well. Cook the spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices for half minute, I'll bring chicken. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with tadka, cook for 5 minutes. Cooking chicken for 5 minutes, it's nicely change the color. Add water, 1 cup. Mix it well. You always can adjust gravy according to your need. If you need a running gravy, you add more water. Once it's nicely combined, I put the lid on. Cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking with the pressure cooker. I'm going to turn off the gas and we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes until it cools down. Waiting for 10 minutes. As you see, the button fell down. Now we can open it. I'll start the gas. Mix it. If we check the meat, it's fully cooked. Chicken breasts don't take that long to cook. Within 5 minutes, our chicken curry is ready. And now I'm going to bring the kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons kasuri methi. Mix it. Cover with the lid on simmer. Give 2 minutes so that the chicken absorbs nice and delicious flavor from kasuri methi. It's 2 minutes on simmer. I'll open it. Turn off the gas. Our chicken curry is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready. Super delicious and very easy to make. Let me share with you. Our quick and easy and very tasty and very delicious chicken curry in pressure cooker is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. This can be a main course dish and you serve with the rice pulao. Please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.